Hey guys, it's Dane with DynastyBreaks.com. It is the 2nd of October. We changed months. We just did a 1992 Bowman throwback break, and we're bored now, so we're going to do some personal boxes. We've got some very dark boxes here. I got to scoot them back. We're doing a National Treasures Baseball. We just opened a case. Lucas, you are first up, doing a personal. Lucas EAS, he wants to go to random.org to decide which box. So we're going to have 1, 2, 3, and 4. So we'll go to random.org. We're going to go 3 times in the random. We usually don't roll for this. 3 times. And let's see which box we got. All right, 3 times. 1, 2, and 3. Box number 3 going to Lucas. That'll be the one in the back on the right. Box 3, 1, 2, 3. Here you go, Lucas. We will remove these for now. And then we'll put them back. Here we go. Tyler said it's going to be 3. He was right. Good luck, man. How about a Babe Ruth Ty Cobb dual cut signature? Would that be all right? All right, let's see how the crack is on this box. Oh, good crack, and oh, it's a sideways taped one. That is a super thickie. 1 of 1, yeah. I need to get something like that, Ruth. All right, the sideways taping, always interesting. Very thick. Oh, the back is cool. I don't know what it is, but I want it. That's whatever it is. I want it. That's pretty cool, man. All right, here we go. See what you got. Ramon Laureano for the A's, 5 of 25. Colossal jersey. Oakland A's. There you go. Could get ugly. David Price for the Red Sox, 94 of 99. David Price. Thanks for being patient, guys, while I put all that other stuff up. David Price jersey. That is a game used. We have a Hall of Fame material hollow foil, 3 of 25. Goose Gossage, class of 2008. There you go. Super thick cardstock on that. These are usually a little bit thinner. Interesting relic. I don't know what that is. Doesn't look like part of a jersey unless it's part of a number. That is game used. Sean, these are about $500. These are very expensive. High-end baseball. And we've got a Billy Martin. Billy Martin. 30 of 49. National Treasures and Flawless. Flawless comes in the metal briefcase. These are the highest dollar cards Panini puts out. Billy Martin. Again, interesting relic. Don't know what it is. Looks like part of his car with a primer on it. 30 of 49. George's old jockstrap. That is game used. The goose is loose. And we have an 8-way relic. Jonathan Loaisiga, 26 of 99, getting some Yankees. 6-way, mostly jersey relics. Looks like it might be a sock up top on the left. 26 of 99. Okay, no problem, Samuel. If it's still there, I don't know if anybody grabbed it. And the 6. The 6. Sean Reed Foley, rookie signature names for the Blue Jays. A jersey relic. That is a super thick card. We're going to put these in boxes, guys. That in a plastic box if they're that thick. Sean Reed Foley. Great auto. That over there. And this is beautiful. This card's awesome. It's on acetate. 20 of 25. Go ahead and sleeve it. This is a Cole Tucker for the Pirates. Rookie silhouette signatures. We have not gotten one of these that are acetate. It's the first one. Very nice. On-card auto. Cole Tucker. $20.25. He said, which one of you a-holes? I can't say that on the camera. Oh, very nice. Look at this. Jumbo Thicky, as all these are. True rookie patch auto. These, oh man, these look great this year. David Fletcher. Nameplate patch. Look at that. LA Angels. We did get a platinum 101 RPA of Taylor Ward for the Angels the other night. Eric's trying to make a quick buck. Oh, Eric. Oh, short print Central. Short print Central. Treasured Threads. 3 of 5 patch auto. Carlos Correa. Very nice. Also on acetate. We got a Cal Ripken purple numbered to 2 out of our first off the line box that was a treasured thread. Nice Correa. Super short print. Game used on the jersey. I mean, we're ending this out with a boom. I don't care what's in here. This is a boom. Look at this thing. Legendary Silhouette Duels. I'm going to cover up the top name. 3 of 5. Somebody call it. Ty Cobb and Hank Greenberg. That is a short print. Oh, nice. Huge bat relic. You do not see that of the old players. Usually a tiny relic. Ty Cobb, Hank Greenberg. That is crazy. Look at this. I want to know about that Cobb bat. We got to read. Estate of Ty Cobb. Game used materials. Woo-hoo-hoo. That is sweet. Our second Ty Cobb. We got a got another relic booklet, but it was not like this. Holy cow. That's a big card. Congratulations, Lucas. Lucas also got the Babe Ruth the other night. We are going to say congratulations on that one. Well, I can't get this open. These are really hard to get back open when they tape them sideways. All right, that's empty. Congrats, Lucas, on that, man. Great hits. And we'll be right back. Give me about 2 minutes, guys. 2 minutes, and we'll do the next box.